Hey everyone, it's Ronnie from Third Story Threads, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the luggage tags out of the 1.5 inch Tula Pink Webbing that we do sell on our Etsy store, so feel free to take a look. It's a perfect scrap buster, especially for those folks who are out traveling a lot. So I know a lot of us have been standing around at the bag carousel just waiting to find our bag and hoping you don't grab somebody else's bag. This is perfect for labeling your own bag, so especially if you have scraps. So just a couple items you're gonna need. So first off, your 1.5 inch webbing, just a scrap piece, at least 8 inches long. Paracord kit, I got this off Amazon. So just look on there, it was 10-20 bucks. It comes with all the different colors of paracord. You're gonna need your 1.5 inch key fob hardware. Also, you can get that on Amazon with the crimping tool that I showed in the last video. You're gonna need a cutter to actually cut the webbing, and then some type of flaming source to melt the edges. So first we're gonna take our scrap piece and gonna cut 8 inches. Now you can do whatever size you want, but I really like 8 inches. I think it's big enough to be seen, but not obscene. All right, so we have our piece. Then we're gonna take some kind of tool to make a curve if you want it curved. I like them curved. Some people like to just leave it straight and just melt it, that's fine. Alright, then we have our curve. Then you're going to take your fire, melt the edge. It just helps it from fraying over the long term. Then you take the other end, put your key fob hardware on. Like I showed in the last one, what I like to do is I like to squeeze it just a tiny bit until I get the actual webbing in there. Show you from the side angle, make it line up, and then just pinch it down. I like to go either side, make sure it's good to go. So now the actual tag is done. Then take a paracord. Now you can play with the length on this one, but I like to use 18 inches, and I think that gives enough of a way for you to actually take it and wrap it through. So that way when you do that, pretend this is your luggage and it actually cinches down. These are a couple other sizes that I've done in the past, but 18 inches. Then you take it and you're gonna go ahead and put a knot in the very end as close to the edge as you can. Just a simple overhand knot. Nothing too crazy. Now here, this is a little extra, so what you can do is you can go ahead and slice that off just to make it a little bit more flush. Then you're gonna go ahead and take your flame again and melt that. So I'll show a close up. That just helps that from fray, and you can push it in there if you want, just don't burn your finger. Then take your luggage tag. You're gonna go ahead and put the non-fray side, non-knotted side through first, and then you just take this and loop it through and you pull it down. And that's it. And then when you have your actual luggage, like I showed in the other part, you take your handle, put it through right here, and it cinches down. Good to go. Bethany took hers and even went back to basic training style. So if you have military friends, it's a perfect little gift for them as they go traveling. So thanks again for tuning in.